I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get
Hi guys, welcome back to another journal with me. Today's spread was inspired by this photograph that I found in my stash from a magazine, and as you can see, it has this group of elephants that look like they are traveling somewhere. And so, as always at the beginning of my spread, I have no idea what I'm going to make out of this, but I knew I did want to have these elephants in the spread somehow. So then I went through my stash of goodies and I found this word journey, which I thought suited the page very well, and this image. And then I wanted to keep it in neutral colors, and so I just put some scraps in the background just to give it some more interest. And then I was inspired by that word journey, and I decided to Google journey to oneself, and one of the entries I discovered is actually what I then journal on the spread, and I thought I would read it to you because I really liked what it said there. So it says, we must become the person who is ready to accept the things that we want. Sometimes what you want is already waiting for you alongside the person that you are capable of becoming, alongside the destined you. So in between here and there, you have that journey, that process of becoming that person, wiser, stronger, gentler. We think that to attain what we want means simply to achieve what we wish to attain. But if we could only see ourselves, our destined selves, already there in the future, standing hand in hand with our desires, we would always know that our worthy desires are objects that call us onto a higher calling, a higher state of existence. So that really spoke to me because I feel like I'm in that place right now where I'm on this journey, and I can kind of already see my future self having all the things I want. And so this vision is really helping me to get to where I want, because I kind of think it's already there, and the universe is really helping me out here and trying to get where I'm trying to go. So yeah, so that text really, as I said, spoke to me, and I really believe in it. I don't know if any of you have had any similar experiences. If you did, I would love to read about it in the comments. But I will, yeah, so I'm taking you basically along on this journey, and I will let you know the things that will develop for me. It'll still be a while before anything happens, because at the moment I am still kind of excuse me, kind of in a waiting stage. But when things really develop, I will go into more detail of what I'm actually doing or planning to do, or what's happening in my life. So yeah, so going back to this spread, as you can see, I'm just adding things to the top here to balance out what I had on the bottom behind the elephants. I used the same kind of papers, and now I am just journaling exactly what I read to you before. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.